Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on Wolverines. Look at that little guy hopping around. Somebody hold me back, because I want to play with a Wolverine.
That's a horrible idea, sir.
And Sandra, I presume we've created one of our Fast Fact Crash Course graphics.
If by we you mean me, then yes. Ugh, you don't even know where to click, do you, sir?
No idea.
I'll do it.
Wolverine facts. Number 1. Wolverines are primarily found in northern forests and tundras in North America, Europe, and Asia. Number 2. The Wolverine is a feisty eater. In fact, his name comes from the Latin words gulo gulo, which means glutton, or somebody who eats way too much. And finally, number 3. Wolverine mothers raise their babies in dens. That's it! I want to play with a Wolverine in its den.
Again, that's a horrible idea.
Yep, I agree with you. Ta-ta! All right, I'm in the den. Oh, I see the Wolverine. And... Well, I think that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir.